Welcome to the Fitz. It's cool, it's trendy, and it's hip. One of Carl's favorite and most sought-after neighborhoods in all of Niagara.
To me, this neighborhood is super family friendly. And with all the local conveniences, 80 Russell Avenue is right in the heart of it.
This 1,100 square foot, 3-bedroom home, fully updated with open concept living on the main floor and the cutest backyard space to relax.
This home is beautiful, and pride in ownership is evident. Whoever is going to buy this home is certainly going to be happy for years to come.